Thank you for your comment. We have no intentions of selling out. Actually, on the contrary, we have plans to invest and bring the Grove back to life to help save American avocado farmers and just growers everywhere. So we do plan on selling this year online, direct to consumer. And in the next few weeks, we're going to be contacting well drillers to get quotes to put in our own well, as well as just had a meeting with our Grove manager to talk about replanting 4 acres, going from traditional densities to high density, which is about 435 trees per acre. So a lot of trees, a lot of infrastructure changes, automating irrigation, mulching, soil sensors, the works, so that way we can save our family legacy. If you have questions, comments, we love to hear them. We love to engage with everybody. Please do subscribe and follow along as we save our family's legacy.